Good morning, and welcome to Wolf TV. I'm Ethan Stadler.
And I'm Ann Anglo. Here's today's top news.
In video cinema arts and live broadcasting, you will create and present the news on Wolf TV. Plus, you will work with your classmates to learn the basics of video production.
I've got the scripts.
Sweet, let's shoot it.
Looks good. You'll learn how to use industry-level software like Adobe Premiere and After Effects. How's the final cut looking?
Good. I used the webcam to cover the edit.
Good call. Could you put these away for me?
Sure. Using professional level equipment, you would be responsible for checking out and taking care of the gear you need.
Camera's ready.
Great.
Cut! Back to one. Working in production crews, you get to bring your movie ideas to life, in school and on vacation.
Stand by, take 3.
Once your shoot is finished and all the editing is done, you'll screen your film and have a chance to enter your film into film festivals and contests. Some may even have cash prizes.
Join VCA in live broadcasting today and greenlight your film career.